Tired of scattered spreadsheets and manual tracking that hide your real progress and risks? Meet Smart Dashboard Pro, the digital KPI and project tracker that delivers crystal clear insights, automated visuals, and audit-ready overviews in one intuitive tool. See how effortless the execution flow is. Monthly KPIs setup. In the Monthly tab, add KPIs with name, baseline, target. Enter monthly values, January to December, auto-calculates totals and trends. Quarterly KPIs configuration. Switch to Quarterly tab. Define KPIs similarly with baseline, target. Input Q1, Q4 values, instant aggregation for year-over-year views. Project status tracking. Projects tab. List projects with name and status dropdowns for categories like timeline, budget, resources, risks, quality, overall. Color-coded. Green, on track. Yellow, at risk. Red, off track. Customizable labels via modal editor. Dynamic chart generation. Select KPI and chart type. Line per bar, doughnut for monthly, bar, polar area, radar for quarterly, pie per bar for projects. Charts update live. Baselines as thresholds, targets as goals, with data labels and annotations. Main dashboard overview. Unified grid. All charts in one sortable view, monthly trends, quarterly breakdowns, project status pies, bars. Dark mode toggle, full export to PDF, Excel for reports. Why execution with Smart Dashboard Pro transforms your workflow. Zero manual charting. Real-time calculations and visuals. Customizable statuses for precise tracking. Seamless integration of monthly, quarterly projects into one dashboard. Professional, standardized views that wow stakeholders and regulators. Stop drowning in data. Start driving decisions. Go to www.pharmanextic.com now and get Smart Dashboard Pro. Plus explore the full suite of digital tools built for regulated professionals who demand speed, clarity, and compliance confidence.